Add music to Facebook, to your Facebook stories in 2021. That's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. The very first thing you have to do is click on the create story, and then here you can choose any of your video to click on create your story. And here I select this video, and what you have to do is click on the stickers, and here you can find the music. Here you can see, and you have to search any of the music you want, and you want to add to your stories. And like I want to add this music, so it that's it. And after you download, after you add music, click done, and click share, and your music is added to your story. So that's here you can see my uh, lyrics of the song is here. So that's basically it, how you can add music to Facebook stories in 2021. If you love this type of tech tutorials, so subscribe to my channel, and also click on the all icons, and so uh, that you get such informative such notifications, video of notification. So if you, I appreciate if you like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.